Okay, see question number 3. If the coefficient of x to the power of 30 in the expansion of 1 plus 1 by x whole to the power of 6 into 1 plus x square whole to the power of 7 into 1 minus x cube whole to the power of 8 is alpha. X is not equal to 0, we know. Then modulus of alpha is how much, like they are asking. See, coefficient you have to find. See, strictly speaking, I can say this is not JEE main level question, this is JEE advanced level question. Okay, a little bit carefully observe. Why? Because see, that much easily you don't get this answer. Let us see how we are going to tackle this question. See, first of all, I will just modify this. See, x plus 1 by x to the power of 6. X plus 1 by x whole to the power of 6. Okay, separate I have made. And 1 plus x square whole to the power of 7, 1 minus x cube whole to the power of 8. That means see, now x to the power of 6 in denominator has come, multiplication, remaining all in numerator only. Now, see, x to the power of 30 coefficient is for this. Now, x to the power of 6 is in denominator. Shall I take alpha is coefficient, or else C I will write coefficient. Alpha is coefficient of x to the power of 36. Why? Because see, 30 denominator 6 is there. That means if 36 comes, means 6 is going to subtract. 36 minus 6 is 30. In this numerator I am writing 1 plus x whole to the power of 6. 1 plus x square whole to the power of 7. 1 minus x cube whole to the power of 8. Do you accept? Why? Because see, now we did not write this x to the power of 6. Only those three terms multiplication you have to write. Okay. Now also, rather than x to the power of 30, we have to get x to the power of 36. Why? Because we have modified and we have removed this x to the power of 6. Okay, now you see, now let us do first write a general term for each one. General term. In writing general term, for here are both three are different. That is why I will take R1, R2, R3 like. See, general term I am writing. General terms implies, you see, first one is 6C R1. Okay? And 1 power 6 minus R1 I need not write, but x power I will write. X power R1. Okay, this is general term of this one. Next, multiplication 7C R2 x square power R2. Okay, that is general term for here. Now, for this general term I am writing 8C R3, here R3, and minus x cube whole to the power of R3. Okay, still we have to modify this. These general terms I am modifying. Observe carefully how I am modifying. Okay, see here coefficient you have to take, means see, coefficient you have to take, but x power 36 you have to make. That is also very important. Okay, now you see 6C R1, 7C R2, 8C R3, and see minus 1 power R3 afterwards. Minus 1 power R3. Now x power I am writing R1 plus 2 R2. Okay, and minus already I have taken minus 1 power R. Directly I am writing 3 R3. Is it okay now? Okay. Now implies, see, R1 plus 2R2 plus 3R3 should become 36. Do you accept it or not? Why? Because see, this minus you forget. Why? Because I have already taken care. Minus 1 power R cube. Sorry, minus 1 power R3. Okay. Now this will be coefficient provided this should come 36. X power 36. That means R1 plus 2R2 plus 3R3 should come 36. Okay. See here, three cases will come. How it will come and all I will explain. You see, first of all, at R3 is equal to 8. Why? Because see, why 8? Why? Because here 8 is there. R3 maximum I am taking. R3 is equal to 8. When R3 is equal to 8, I am writing one table. You see, R1, R2, R3. Okay. See how I am writing this. 4 lines you have to write this table. Okay. Now see what I want to say. If R3 is equal to 8, what will happen? 3 into 8, 24. That means see, R1 plus 2R2 is equal to 36 minus 24. That means 12. Understand? Here R3 8 you are keeping. 8 into 3, 24. 24. 36 minus 24, 12. R1 plus 2R2 is equal to 12 has to come. See, here R3 I have taken 8 means 8 I have to take. 4 times I will take. Why? Because if 4 times will come, you observe carefully how I am writing this. Okay? R3 I have taken 8. Now R2 maximum how much I can take? R2 7 I can take. Let me take 7 and see whether it will come or not. This I have taken care. Why? Because 12 we are seeing now. Why? Because 12 means already that 8 into 3, 24 we have subtracted. R1 plus 2R2 should come 12. 7 into 2, 14. Will it come? No. Then you don't take 7. Then you take 6 only. Like this you have to go. That is why I told this is not main level. This is advanced level. Okay. Now 6 if you take 2 into 6 is 12. But R1 should come 0. Then only this is possible. Okay. 1 over. Second time. Shall I take 5? Let me check. 5 into 2, 10. R1 you can take 2. Shall I take 4? Yes, sir. 4 into 2, 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. Shall I take 3? 3 into 2 is 6. R1 will be 6. Shall I take 2? 2 if you take, 4 will come, but R1 should come 8. But R1 is maximum 6 only you can take. That is why this exhausted. This table exhausted. Okay, case 1 table. That means see, all you have to apply now for coefficient case. What I want to say, these values all you have to apply. Minus 1 power R3 also you have to apply. Okay, here, all. Okay, now at R3 is equal to 8 over. Now at R3 is equal to 7 also I will see. Why? Because see, here only we will see remaining all it will come automatically. Now at R3 is equal to 7. Okay. R3 is equal to 7. That means see R1, R2, R3. Now I am taking 7. 3 times will come. Observe carefully. Okay. Now you see R3 we have taken 7. 7, 7, 7. We will see how many times will come under. R3 if you take 7, 7 into 3, 21. 36 minus 21 will be 15. That means see R1 plus 2R2 should come 15. Earlier it was 12 because R3 we have taken 8. Now we have taken 7. That is why R1 plus 2R2 should come 15. Okay. Now earlier 6 we have taken but maximum was 7. Now shall I take 7? Let us try. If I take 7, 7 into 2, 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. Then we can take 1. Okay. Shall I take 6? 6 into 2, 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. Yes, we can take. Shall I take 5? 5 into 2, 10. 15 minus 10 is 5. We can take 5. Shall I take 4? 4 into 2, 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. R1, 7 will not come. 6 only. Then it is exhausted. Then you keep like this only. Now go for third one. Third one means see, at R3 is equal to 6. Why? Because see, 8 over 7 over 6 we are taking. Okay, logic you are going to understand now. Why? Because see, maximum 8 and minimum 6 you can take. Okay, you can understand by seeing this table and all. Okay, now I am writing again R1, R2, R3. Now only 2 values are going to come. Observe how these values are going to come. Okay. Now what will happen here? 6 I have written already. R3 I am taking 6. If I take 6 automatically, 3 6 are 18. 36 minus 18, 18. That means see, R1 plus 2R2 should become 18. Okay, now R2 maximum how much you can take? 7. First write 7. 7. Okay. 7 into 2, 14. 14 plus 4. Now take 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 6. Now try to take 5. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. But R1 shall become 8? No. That means exhausted. That means see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times you have to expand this. Okay, little bigger, and we will try to solve it. Okay, I am going to remove the question. I am going to write answer here simply 678. Okay. Now how we are going to write? Why? Because see, this is also important. This is also important. Without this we cannot write. Coefficient only you have to add. See, that means see, this is important. Okay, R3, see, when 8 positive, no problem. When 6 positive, no problem. Even number. When 7, this will become negative. That means here all these 3 are going to become negative. Okay, that is also you have to see. See, I am reviewing up to this general term. Okay, please pass and note down. Okay, now see, R1 is 0 means 6C 0, write down. 6C 0 into 7C 6 into 8C 8. Okay, this is first one. See, minus 1 power 8, 1 only, that is why I am not writing this. Okay, you must have understand. Plus second one, see, 6C2 into 7C5 into 8C8. This is standard 8C8. Or else we can take 8C8 common also. See, for these all minus 1 power 8 is going to come, that is why positive only. Plus third one, 6C4 into 7C4 into 8C8. Okay, plus last one, 6C6 into 7C3 into 8C8. Okay, see, one more bracket I am keeping, let it be parenthesis and bracket. Okay, now here minus 1 power 7 will come, minus 1 power 7. That means all are going to become negative. These 3 are negative. Negative means 1 for all I am writing negative, and I am adding inside. Okay, this first you add, then subtract these 3, again you add these 2. Okay, like that you have to do. Now go for 6C1 into 7C7 into 8C7. Why? Because this is 8C7. 8C7. Okay, this is first one. Plus, see, plus we are writing, but outside minus is there. All you have to subtract. 6C3 into 7C6 into 7C7. Sorry, 8C7. These are all will come 8C7 only last. Okay, plus 6C5 into 7C5 into 8C7. Okay, this is negative. Now we write positive. These two are positive again. Plus I am writing inside, you see, 6C4 into 7C7 into 8C6 plus another one, 6C6 into 7C6 into 8C6. Okay, if you do this, then you are going to get 678. Okay, I don't want to waste the time. I will do and I will edit this video. Okay. Okay, see, these values will come like this. See, 7, 15 into 21, 15 into 35, 35. Okay, 48. Like this will come. Finally, if you calculate minus 678 is going to come. If you apply this modulus plus 678, 678 should come answer. See, I have not done. Why? Because this is a what we can say clerical work like. Okay. Now we'll stop this class. We will continue in the next class. Thank you very much.